Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the Julia LeetCode challenge problem. The problem is ransom query mutable. So the problem is that given an integer array number and handle the multiple query of following types, there is an update of that element and there is the index has been given, and we'll have to another function which is the ransom. So basically that calculate the sum of that element nums between that indices left and right. So which has been given. So basically the the two function has been given, that is ransom and the update. So what all I'm trying to do that first make dry run, and then after that I am trying to solve through the solve my approach as a coding interpretation. So what is happening that basically hold on, I just missed to add my writing pad. Just give me 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, some second. Yeah, I just added. So basically what is happening that suppose 1 3 5 has been given. Suppose there is an update call, and update function there is an index value and the value. So what I'm trying to do that first I will take that all the sum 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9, and after that when the update function has been calling that, so what I'll try to do that there is the total, basically there is the total, and total minus of the index value, that is the nums which the array has been given there, that is the index. So what is that? Suppose that is I've been trying to check that 1 and value will be updated to 5. So what is happening that 9 minus 3, that is 6. So after that the nums of index will be the value, that is 5. So after that the total will be updated plus is equals to the value. So what is happening that 6 plus 5, that is the 11. So what is that? 5 plus 5 plus 1, that is the 11. So that is the way. And the ransom, what I am trying to do that 1 3 5, and the ransom query, first I will try to check that the left value or the right value which is given, and right minus left, if that is greater than the size of the array of half, in that case I will taking that the number of majority, so 0 1 and 2. So basically the size 2 minus 0 that is 2, and the size is 3 by 2, that is 1. So 2 is greater than 1, yes. So in that case what I am trying to do that 0 1 2 for the left value is equals to 0. I am trying to, for that is taking an example, that is from 0 to left, that left minus 1, and after that the right plus 1 to the n, up to that will be deducting from that total value, deducting from the total value in that case. And when that is not been possible, in that case I will take that the left to right value. So that is how I am trying to implement the logic, basically that I am traversing one time, basically that I am not taking any the nested loop. So basically that the order of n time complexity has been required there, and for updating there is an order of 1, basically for updating case order of 1, because I have been changing that value of that array, and for searching case that is also an order of 1, and after updating that value I will be adding with the total. So basically that is the order of 1 time complexity for the updating, and the for some case ransom query there is the order of n time complexity has been needed there, and I am taking the I am taking an extra space nums, and as well as that and because the value will not be changeable for there, so I am not taking that. Basically there is an auxiliary space, and I'm taking that the total value. So in that case, auxiliary space, if I've been taking that, there is an order of n, and if I've been not taking that the auxiliary space, in that case the order of 1 is the space complexity also. So right now I am trying to solve my logic as a coding interpretation. What I'll do that first, basically that for nums I cannot change that the main value basically, so that is why I am taking an extra space, though if you called as the auxiliary space basically. So right now that is I will check there as a private function basically. What I'll do that private vector of integer num and integer total is equals to 0, and right after that I am initialize that vector as a nums, and after that I adding that all the value has been present in that array into the total value, auto I num, and that will be added to tot plus of I. So what is happening that it will give me as the total value, and update what I'll set that there is the total minus the num of index, and after that num of index is equals to val, and total plus is equals to val, so that the value will be updating totally. And right now I am trying to do that the ransom. So integer tmp is equals to the total. So what will happen that if right minus left is greater than is equals to the num of size divided by 2, in that case for integer I 0 to I less than left I plus plus, the tmp minus of num of I, and after that I will deducting after the right part. So for integer I is equals to right plus 1 I less than nums of size I plus plus, and tmp minus 1 nums of I, and after that what I'll do that if that is wrong, in that case I will return the for integer I is equals to left I less than or equals to right I plus plus, and after that tmp plus is equals to the num of I. So far in adding before that we'll have to make initialize that as a 0, because I am adding there, and in previous I am deducting there. So when all the procedure has been completed, then after that I will directly return tmp. So right now I am checking that if my logic is right or wrong. What is happening? It is taking too much time. Maybe my net issue. Hold on, I am doing the page refresh. Hold on. Yeah, it's giving me wrong answer there. Hold on. Okay, num plus. Let me check. Yeah, it's giving me wrong answer there. Hold on. Num of I. Okay, I'm missing that semicolon there. Yeah, it is accepting in the run code. I'm trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.